Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Shopify for a while now, but suddenly inventory not synchronizing. Well, if your inventory numbers don't match across products or even apps, it can lead to overselling. In this small tutorial, we're gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first, you're just gonna open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, open your favorite browser and go all the way to Shopify.com. Then they're gonna show you the screen where you usually log in using your email address and password, and here you go. Go all the way and basically give it a small refresh to the inventory page. Okay, for example, we are at this product section. We're gonna go all the way to inventory. Give it a small, basically, refresh. Then check the inventory tracking. Open the product and enable track, basically, the number of quantity that you have. That's the main idea for me. I don't have any product yet, but for you guys, you're gonna see the track product button. You're just gonna tap it and move on. Then check any connected apps. Inventory apps may override basically quantities as I told you before. Then try and resync the inventory app, since most apps have a manual sync option. For example, we're gonna go to apps, look for all recommended apps, then open this Shopify app store. We're gonna go and basically see if there is any inventory apps or inventory management apps that we can use. And here you go, you can basically track inventory across locations and replenish stock with purchase orders and transfers. This is included with Shopify. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.